This is my daughter 2006 530i. It's a BMW. I'm gonna show you how to access the brake fluid reservoir. And it's pretty simple to do, but it's hidden. But first, what you wanna do once you get to the front of the car, you're gonna look to the right. But first, let's make sure we got the right tools. We got a 13mm socket, and you're gonna have to get a T20 torque. It's T20. So what you want to do is come over here to the right, and you got to move this filter here. So what you want to do, this right here is 13mm. Just turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn. And once you do that, you want to come over here, take off this little latch here. And once you take it off, you just raise this up and it should pull right out. As you can see, the filter, you need to change that. But once you do that, now you want to come over here and take this piece off right here, and it'll come right out. It's just a little piece. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You see this piece? And I'm gonna put it to the side. Then what you want to do is take your 13mm again and take these, should be 3 of them. You want to turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn. Okay, the next thing you want to do is take this T20 torque. So you're going to come right here and screw it off. Make sure you don't lose this screw. So I'm gonna just take it out, and I'm gonna put it down here with my other piece. And then just take this rubber pad right here and just move it over to the side a little bit. Okay, now it's time to remove the cover, and it's really simple to do. First, what you want to do is reach across, and you want to pull this little latch up, and you want to slide it toward you. As you can see, it came out of those grooves. And that's it. Then once you do that, you want to reach across right here and just raise it up, probably about a maybe 15-20 degree angle, and you pull it forward, and it'll slide right out. And once you get that out, there you go. You got your brake fluid reservoir right here. So you turn it counterclockwise to take this top off, and you cap it off, fill it up, and then you replace it back on. You can save yourself probably $90 to $100, because that's what they're going to charge you. BMW and Mercedes, it gets expensive. So once we got it tapped off, now we're gonna put everything back on the way we took it off. And this could get kind of tricky a little bit. What you want to do is take this piece right here first, and you see this little part right here. You want to put it in first. Remember, we put it at a 15-20 degree angle, and you slide that part in. And once you slide it in, just take your time. It'll drop into place. And I'm doing this while I'm recording. So I'm doing this myself. And then what you want to do, once you get that on, you're going to take this piece. You remember how we did that? What you want to do is just slide it on right here and push it forward. You hear it click. You heard that click. Okay, I'm going to take it off one more time to show you how easy it is. Pull it up and slide it off. All right, push it forward. You hear the click. It's locked into place. And now what you want to do is get your 13mm and turn it clockwise about a quarter of a turn. And when you see that little latch, it's just locking it in place. That's it. It's a plastic nut. Once you got those 3 turned in place, what you want to do is get your 20T torque, and you want to put that screw back in. And what I'm doing, I'm just doing everything in reverse from when I took it off. Okay, and then you take this little piece right here. It can be kind of tricky, but it'll slide into place. Just slide it right there, press down on it a little bit, and just put that rubber seal on the outside, and you're done on that part. Then you take your filter and just line those grooves up in the back. You see it's at a 45 degree, and pull it down and it should click right in. Put that little latch on and take your 13 millimeter and turn it clockwise, a quarter of a turn, and it's locked in place. And once you do that, you put your gasket seal back on. Make sure it's lining up. And once everything lined up, that's it. Just click that little tab in. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day.